Hi, Crowding Around Crafters. This is Glenda from Crowding Around and Crafting with Glenda. For my theme today, I've chosen the Crown Royal Vanilla, of course the Pepsi, and my favorite mug. Let's go ahead and get a sip of that and see how that is today. I probably should taste that one more time. That's pretty good. Yep. So today, I wanted to show you something. When Dollar Tree was just $1, I went and purchased a lot of their coloring books. Of course, I have grandchildren, but that's not why I went and purchased them. I purchased them to do something more relaxing, which would actually be to color in them myself. I'm going to go through and see if there's something I want to do, and I'm just showing you what I have. My granddaughter came over one day and she took so many, and I was so happy because that's what it's all about, coloring. There's more, but I want to show you what I'm going to do with this. I think that you guys will like them. I haven't figured out yet which one I want to do. I know Easter's coming, and I believe I've seen an Easter one down at the bottom, but I dare not do this one. That is too much. I don't even think my crown will help me through this one, so I'm just going to leave that one. I'll go to sleep from there. So these are all the ones that I have. And just so you'll know, they all fit in this little tote that I have. So I just put them all in there. Now, we need to look through here just for a nice little picture to color. Maybe we'll do the egg. Let's look at the egg. We'll color the egg. The first thing we need to do is to get a black marker, and you can tell they're markers by the bottom. If they're the fine point, they'll have an F on it. And then we'll need to darken all of the black lines that's on here. So I'm gonna do that. Go ahead and pick out some colors. I think I'll go with this light purple. What is this? Sky blue. Some bubble gum. And maybe the lime green. We'll see what that looks like. I'm not an artist, but hey, who said you had to be, right? I have no particular order that I'm going to do this in. That's the joy of it. I don't have to think about it. I've already chose my markers. So I'm just going to color it, and whatever it looks like, I'll show you. This is Azure Blue. We will do a Coral, a Fuchsia, and a Purple. Let's try these. Y'all know I've been drinking, so you know I'm not going to stay in these lines. If you can stay in the lines while you're drinking, you are good. And I guess it depends on how much Crown you pour into your glass or whatever your favorite drink is. But me and this Crown, we got a love-hate relationship. Yeah, I said it. If this don't come out right, I'm blaming it on my kindergarten teacher, because she should have took time with me and showed me how to color the right way. But she, she was busy. She had other kids she wanted to look at. No, she didn't want to look at Glenda. She didn't want to help me. I remember her name too. And I'm telling you right now, I am 50 plus years old and I remember that teacher. Her name was Mrs. Orange. How can you forget a name like that? Oh, okay. Now what I do is, normally I will take the black marker and I will outline it again, but I'm going to do that off so you guys don't have to sit here and look at that. Now here's our finished product. Just kind of remove some of the little things in the here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this over to the heat press. But before that, let's get our dollar. That's now $1.25 towel. And we will clean that off. Sometimes when you don't see the naked eye will fool you. Look at that. I'll do it one more time just because I am me. Because this is sublimation, I'm going to go ahead and set my heat press to maybe 380, and do it for 40 seconds. Not sure if you can see, but here's part of my workstation. And eventually I'll go over that stuff with you guys, what I have. But right now we want to just work on what we've been working on. So let me get my towel and I'll be right back. I actually put this on copy paper. I have a lot of butcher block paper, but it's easier to access this than it is the paper. While this is heating up, I'm going to go ahead and press this down for about 10 seconds. Just to get whatever wetness out of there. Now, I went ahead and tore my page out of the book, and I'm just going to lay it on here. And the good thing about it is it pretty much fills up the whole page, the whole tile. And I like to put 2 papers over it while we wait. Now I could go ahead and tape this down, but this is just a sample to show you guys what it's going to look like. I don't want to go through all that. So I have so much stuff and so little area to use it, so little space. I actually put it on 380 and 45 seconds. And I don't really believe I need to hold it, but I'm holding it anyway. What the hell? Okay. And then beat. Cut that off. And there is my finished result. Yeah. What kid wouldn't love that? Let's go back over. Now truly, what kid wouldn't enjoy this in their Easter basket? I think I'm going to sign it Love Granny and iron over this and then see how that comes out. And I'll show you guys the end result. Okay, so I went back over and I put the Love Granny. You can barely see the love, but there's a heart, so they know what it'll mean. But anywho, I really like this. It came out really nice. The black is defined, the color is defined, and I think I'm gonna do one more just because. So stay tuned and I'll show you the end result of that one.